What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for AFFIRM holdings with the ticker symbol AFRM. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So am I bullish or bearish on the stock? Well, I'm pretty much neutral, but with a little bias for the bears, and I'll give you my reasons why. So you can see that pretty much after this company made a all-time high back in November of 2021, prices have been working in a downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs. And I'm going to put the trend on the chart right now, so you can see that prices were inside of this trend right here, working lower. And back here in late December, there was a breakout side of the channel, and we pretty much made almost 2 legs down to a new low. So that's pretty much perfect price action. Usually after the 2 legs down to a new low, we expect some sideways action or a correction, possibly even a reversal. So we pretty much exactly met the measured move, and that's where we got that bounce. However, it looks like prices are probably going to continue lower. You can see the sellers are trying to come in the market still, so we could be maybe inside of a bigger downtrend channel. Let's go and change this color. Let's go and make this one yellow, and the bigger downtrend channel can also fit on this chart. You can see that if I just connect the swings right here, and instead of the break outside the channel, I put it inside of the channel that's working lower. Let's go and make this one green. Or let's make the bigger one a lighter color and make the smaller one a darker color so you can see the difference. So this bigger channel also fits the price action pretty good. So are we inside of a bigger one where we can continue much lower? Or do we already have the breakout side of the channel and 2 legs down to a new low where we can get a reversal? So that's why I'm neutral. It's really hard to tell, especially since my tools are kind of already played out. You can see that this is the measured move down, and if I just drag it lower, we pretty much already hit this measured move too. So, and we are near all-time lows for this stock, and that's where we got that little bounce up. So that's why I'm neutral. We could maybe reverse out of here. However, I'm bearish because I don't think any stock is going to be going up for the next week or two. There could be a lot more selling in the markets just because of the negative sentiment throughout the entire markets. And also, we are very close to the all-time lows. However, if they're this close, I'm expecting them to stop out the person that went long here, who had the stop losses here, and that's right at the $45, $46 level. So that's why I'm a little bearish. I think we can go down a little bit more before getting some type of bounce or reversal. But if you asked me maybe back here in late November, early December, if I was bearish or bullish during that time, then I would have said I'm super bearish, because I can see the downtrend playing out. Prices got below the EMA, and we have not gone above it ever since. It's trending down, and there were a lot of gaps that could have been filled, like this big one right here, another large one right here. So I would have been way more bearish in the past. But now we're pretty close to the bottom. Well, the all-time lows. That doesn't mean we can't make a new low, a new all-time low. But I'm kind of neutral, but I'm leaning towards the bearish side because of just the negative sentiment in the market. And looks like this trend still has room to go down, and that's why I'm still predicting lower prices. But I'm a little cautious just because there are probably some bulls or some buyers down at these price levels. So I don't know how much more lower it can go. I'm predicting at the $45 target, but we'll have to wait to see if prices just don't rocket out of here. But that's what I have for the daily chart. I'm just kind of neutral. So we have to see what the market wants to do. It looks like prices have been maybe in a more aggressive channel working lower. You can see that this also fits right here, and that's why we're seeing that sell-off today. We got that little rejection from the resistance side of the channel, so we could be working in this lower, slimmer channel in the bigger one. And if we do that, then we can knock out the person who went long here at the $48 level, and possibly even enter the mid 40 mid 40s like I predict. So that's why I'm bearish just slightly, because I think we can go down a little bit more, but there's probably a lot more room to the upside after that $45 target is reached. But that's technically, I don't know fundamentally how this company is doing, if it's a growing company or a dying company or anything like that, but I'm just letting you know technically what the chart is telling me. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So another reason I am neutral is because you can see even this week's candle bar is a doji, which is an indecision bar. You can see that all the previous price bars were kind of like reversal bars or tail bars or just strong bars. It tells you which direction the market moved during that week. But this one looks like the market moved up and then down, and now we're back in the middle. So that's an indecision. So it's kind of like what we did back over here in the past when there was previous all-time lows. There was 2 doji bars, and then the market went to a massive rally. So am I predicting the massive rally to happen? Not really, but you can see that there's indecision. So buyers and sellers don't really know what to do at this price level. I mean, do you really want to sell at the all-time lows for this stock, or do you really want to buy something that's still continuing down in a downtrend? So right now it's just a sit and wait. If you're a trader, you do not enter over here. It's just pretty much gambling. My gamble or my guess is just we're going to continue lower, just based on the momentum working lower and just market sentiment. I don't think we have reached the bottom. I was expecting a bigger pullback in the market, but man, this thing is just selling hard. So they could do a little quick dip, and then we might just see like a V bottom for a lot of stocks. We could see a big recovery. So that's what I'm predicting to play out as of right now. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channels. This might be a surprise of what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver good content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.